there, savvy investors! Before we dive into today's epic showdown between M1 Finance and Webull, don't forget to click the link in the description to grab your special discount offer. Alright, let's get into it. On one side, we have M1 Finance, the sleek automated investing platform that promises to make your life easier. On the other, Webull, the high-energy trading app with all the bells and whistles. Who's going to win the battle of the brokers? Let's find out. First up, M1 Finance. If you're someone who likes a hands-off approach, M1 is your best friend. Their unique feature? Pie-based investing. You create a pie with slices representing different stocks or ETFs, and M1 takes care of the rest. It's like having your very own financial chef. Plus, you get fractional shares so you can invest with as little as $1. They also offer automatic rebalancing, which is like having a Roomba for your portfolio. Nice, right? Now let's switch gears to Webull. This app is for the adrenaline junkies out there. Webull offers commission-free trades, real-time data, and a ton of technical analysis tools. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of trading apps. You want to day trade? Go for it. Webull has extended trading hours too, so you can trade before the market opens and after it closes. It's like being at an all-night buffet of stocks. So what about fees? M1 Finance is free to use, but there's a premium option called M1 Plus for $125 a year, which gives you perks like a lower interest rate on borrowing and more trading windows. Webull is also free to use, but they make money through interest on margin accounts and premium services. Both platforms offer competitive pricing, but watch out for those hidden fees. When it comes to research and education, Webull takes the cake. They offer paper trading, a learning center, and a community forum where you can exchange ideas. M1 Finance is more about simplicity and ease of use, so it doesn't offer as much in terms of research tools. So, who's the winner? Well, that depends on your investing style. If you're a set-it-and-forget-it kind of person, M1 Finance is your go-to. If you're a hands-on trader who loves the thrill of the market, Webull is your playground. Alright folks, that's a wrap on the Battle of the Brokers. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special discount offer. Happy investing, and may your portfolios be ever in your favor. Catch you in the next video.